Modigazzi the Brown.
Okay, everybody, I decided, I'm getting a little antsy for some travel. I wanted to take a look at some RVs, so I went down to our local dealership here near me in Cincinnati. It's called Holman RV, and I was fortunate enough, I went into it with the purpose of recording some of their budget models of their RVs. And I was lucky enough to meet a gentleman named Rocky Holman. He's one of the original, like, Holman family that started the dealership, and he was really nice. He is going to let me come in and actually do some walkthroughs, video walkthroughs of some of his units, whatever I want. Mostly what he has there is everything actually that they have there is towable. So it's either going to be a fifth wheel or a travel trailer. I decided to look at some budget units. The first one that I looked at is a 2018 Forest River. So it's a Cherokee. Really, really nice unit for, and you can see on here that the price was $19,710. That's the list price, the selling price on it. Now, it looked great. Like, I'm going to just go through some of the pictures here. I have video too. You can see how it's set up with the queen bed in the back. It has sleeping arrangements that it's like the little dining area that folds down into a bed. It's got a sofa that folds down into bed, and then also has a queen size bed in the main bedroom. The refrigerator is really large. Nice little unit, has a big slide, as you can see, makes the interior living area look much bigger and feel much bigger. One of the things that I really liked about it is this back door, which opens from the bathroom, I believe. I'll have to check that, but I think it opens from the bathroom, and then it has a fold down luggage or carrying little rack back here on the back. Really nice unit. I'm just going to quickly go through the pictures. A lot of under storage, and as you can see, the interior is just, it's nice for the price. It's a great little unit. There you can see that this is the fold down dining area. The table, just like in a lot of RVs, this folds down, it becomes a fairly large bed, and that folds out and becomes a bed. There is a mounting unit for your flat screen TV. It has storage right here on the side, and this is the entrance to the bathroom, and then that's the entrance to the bedroom. In fact, I want to say, yeah, I'm right. I'm sorry, I was wrong in the beginning. The other exit door exits from the bedroom of the unit, which is really nice. Like, if other people are sleeping in the other room, you can actually go out through there. And so this is the unit, and it's a great little unit. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Well, let me show you some of the technical specs on it, kind of give you an idea of what this is, what you can expect. It is a 33 foot. This has a dry weight of 6,695 pounds. It is a 2018 Forest River travel trailer, and that is the MSRP is $32,349, and the list price there is $19,710. Okay, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a travel trailer. This is a Cherokee Limited, and I want to go over a few things with you and take a look inside. So let's take a look. This is a budget travel trailer. It's really nice. Really large refrigerator. Almost household size refrigerator. A lot of cabinet space in the kitchen, as you guys can see. Above the sink, nice backsplash, you know, brick-esque backsplash. Comes with the microwave, a vent hood, a range, 3-burner range with an oven, small oven. Really, you know, and the slide makes it really a lot larger in here. So let's go take a look at the rest, okay? So in the living room here, we have a place to mount your flat screen TV, as well as a built-in, looks like CD player, maybe DVD player. Here's where you control climate control. Has a nice storage space right here, 2 cabinet storage space. Here's the bathroom. So you have access from the main area as well as from the from the bedroom. The bathroom, I mean the shower it seems quite large, and it's large enough to accommodate, you know, I'm roughly around 6 foot, you know, it's enough to accommodate me. This is the bedroom. Nice large bed, as well as storage over the bed and on each side, sort of. And something really nice about this unit, it has this back door, access to the outside without going through the main living area. Here is the door to the bathroom, and these are sort of like sliding pocket doors or something. There is the door to the bedroom, and there's the door to the bathroom. And as you can see, it's a nice big space. It has a one of the sofas that folds out into a bed, as well as this table unit here that folds down into a bed. Really nice unit. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like what we do, the little round button right there, I think right there is our subscribe button, and then right here, that's our Patreon page. You can go give us a little special thank you, and make sure you check out these other videos over here. Thanks guys, we really appreciate it. Bye.